Click three dots, settings, and then You and Google to access Google profile and account settings from Chrome browser. To create a new Chrome profile, click on your profile image in top right corner of browser window. New profile will appear in default settings. To uninstall or delete Chrome browser in Windows computer, click Start button, then right click on the icon of Chrome browser and then select Uninstall. In Android mobile phone, Google Chrome browser is installed by default and you cannot delete it. However, you can disable it by going into settings and then selecting apps and notifications. Click your profile image in Chrome browser and access the primary Google account to change Chrome profile image. Please note that profile picture will automatically be changed in all other assets of your Google account. For example, in Google Maps, Keep, Gmail, YouTube or Google Drive. Watch next videos for more Chrome tips.